All right, so this is the latest version of the map editor program that I'm working on, and just do a kind of like a quick demo here. Um, we got a log down here. There are console commands as well, so you can, use console commands if you prefer for a lot of this stuff, or do some things programmatically if you want. On the right over here, we have a tile inspector, and you can see that when I select a given tile, it gives you the X and Y coordinates of it, although I'm going to add a grid number here at some point as well. Or never mind, it actually already did. I forgot about it. But basically, gives you all the information that you could possibly want, in relation to what's going on that tile. It shows you all the different STI that are in use on a given tile. Um, you can even see like right there, looking through the roof now, but they've got these guys here, these little structures that are in stores. Oh, sorry, can also show you just each of these layers shows you the different layers, whatever you want to look at. Um, you want to take the shadows on and off, anything like that. If you want to place something, you could just click there and then it'll place it. And each one of these also has, the JSD associated with it. And you got tooltips in there to explain like the JSD parts. And when you do copy and like put it down like that, you will see, and this is just normal how they do this, even though it's a little bit weird, but this area in here is playable. But you can see if I go to the tile inspector again, that basically right there, it's going to have the JSD copied as well. And you can even copy shadows and stuff like that if you want to. But yeah, you can also just like right click on anything and you'll copy that thing. Oops. There we go, boulder. Still having some issues with multi-tile placement where like you can see it's kind of combining them together there, but I'll figure that out. Um, but again, you can see, you know, where it's copied everything properly. So these will react the way that they're supposed to, and if you put vegetation down, it actually will properly like affect the stealth, factors and everything. All that stuff works appropriately. I also have this generator that I put in. It's still in a very early stage. I just wanted to make sure I can make it work. Where, for example, if I just want to fill everything with this tile, you can see it's going across right now and filling in all the tiles for me, right? And then if I want, I can undo that, Control Z. We could do something different. Could wipe the sector, clear all the tiles, scatter something. So I don't know, let's say we want to scatter this bush. Um, how many do we want to place? Oh, not that many. I don't know, 280. Yeah, the math has to work out. So let's just go with like 20. And there you go. Scattered 20 bushes across the map. I gotta fix it so that it doesn't scatter bushes outside of the actual playable area, but it does work. Um, and if I hit save here, this part I haven't actually tested, at least not on this build, so it's always a little bit of whether or not that map is going to load properly, but it usually does. And when it doesn't, I know why. It's because I made a change and that new change isn't working. But we'll have to start a new game. Probably should have tested this before recording, but well. And I built this sector with the map editor. It's going to be one of my new sectors for the game, for the mod that I'm working on. Oh, I forgot to turn on cheats. And I think that's C6. Is that where we were? What's the command prompt button? And look, there it is. And you can't walk through it. You have to path around it. And there's the random bushes that we scattered. There's a couple of them, I think, around there. Yep. Oh, that one got put in another tile, so I got to fix that part of the generator to prevent it from doing that, probably. But yeah, you can see everything loaded. It works. It took the changes that we made. Um, Everything seems to be okay. So still got a lot to do that I want to work on. But you can see that these are the loose ones that I got. I just extracted that one, and then A9 is the one that I've been working on. That's my custom map. But you can extract any of these from an SLF if we wanted to mess with one. Um, I'm working on making it go a little bit faster. I just made some changes that made it a lot faster. But yeah, you can see right now you can't actually edit it. It's just showing you what's in that. But if I click here, it'll extract it. And you see that's much faster now than it used to be. And now you can edit it if you want. And then when you save it, the good thing about the way Jagged Alliance works is that basically uh, the loose dat file will override whatever's in the SLF. So you still have the SLF with the original maps that haven't been messed with. And you can make any changes you want to those DATs without ever really having to worry about breaking anything. Because like sometimes you can break them. Like I'm pretty sure if I save this, then it'll crash. If you try and load the sector, and it will let you do this right now. Um, but I'm going to work on fixing some of that stuff and trying to incorporate some other things into it as well. But there's another one that I got to speed up. It only loads this slow the first time, but it should have been preloading too. Um, so it really shouldn't have taken any time to load there. I got to go and fix that as well. But you can see, it's got the browser for the different SDI, and you can click on whatever you want, whichever one you want to, place. Um, and then we just have to make sure we got the pen selected, and we can paint them. Brush stroke changes. If you are on an STI, you can see up here all the variants of the STI. And alt right clicking will let you, toggle through which ones you're placing. So see, I can place all different ones like that. Um, what else? I've got grid if you're into that kind of thing. Room numbers will be displayed. And I don't have an editor for that yet, but I'll have an editor for that at some point. We got settings, all kinds of settings. You can bind your own keys, set your keys however you want. I got multi-tile stamps working as stamp, the whole footprint, or one tile per click. Um, but that's broken right now, like I said. You can set max tile slots just to prevent it from crashing. Um, Whether you want to show shadows in the palette or not, or just auto pair the shadows. You know, I'm trying to make it so it's more like a modern program because the old map editor was driving me insane, even just trying to do like touch ups on maps that I generated in Python. So this is, I think, the medium ground, and then also I made it so that the AI can plug into this and run things through it. So that's pretty much it. I got some other stuff as part of Merc Wizard or Merc Forge that I'm still working on, like the Merc Wizard. That works. It's good. Um, haven't fully tested every last single part of it, but launched no problem. Got in the game, characters were there, edited, everything looked good. And that's a really simple one because it's mostly just changing XML and putting files in the correct directories. So it really shouldn't be much of a problem there. Um, and then I'm working on a tile set editor as well to actually let you just edit the tile sets more easily. And then I threw in the STI viewer and the SLF extractor just to have them all in one in case somebody wanted to look at an STI or an SLF manually or whatever. You pick an STI file, you can look at it, um, whatever you want to do, change it into a ping. And then SLF extractor, same thing, pick an SLF, it extracts all of them to a folder. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Thanks, everybody.